Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down a little bit to find the system navigation. As you can see here, we've got two different options, so the navigation keys and the navigation gestures, and this is the option we're looking for, obviously. However, before we will set it, as you can see, you can customize the navigation keys, so if you decide that you want to stick with this option, you can customize it here just like you want to. Alright, so first of all, let me tap on navigation gestures, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial and learn how to use them. I don't want to. And unfortunately I have to have a try, so let's tap on it so I can explain right now what to do. So so we have to swipe right here in the left section in order to open apps. Right here, right in the middle, we have to swipe from the bottom to the center of your device, and this motion should be quick and short, just like that, and we will enter the home page. And in order to open the recents, we have to do the same, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, and then the recents will appear. In order to get back, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, just like that, until we will see, and when we will see this arrow, we can release the finger. As you can see, it will work from both sides, so you can use the option which is more comfortable for you. Alright, so here we've got also the back option, just like by using the swipe from the sides. And here you can, if you want to, of course, you can adjust the gesture operation layout, up to you. You can manage quick launch apps, learn about the navigation gestures, so more information about that. You've got the navigation gesture styles, so it's up to you, because as you can see here, you've got 3 different lines, or you can set 3 dots, kind of, which are not really visible, or no icons, so you can just leave your device without anything, so you will have the clean screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.